Welcome to Next Gen Outdoors. Oh, look at that. Wet weight. We're actually down here at the Boise River. And Morrison and Boise. It's a good spot to come down to go fishing. Right now we're seeing if anybody left anything behind. Sometimes you'll find some goodies. Sometimes you won't. But it's a nice day out today. Water's still a little high. But we figured we would come out. Try our luck with some trout today. We got some different products we're going to be trying. They all consist of a worm and something else. Oh, there's a hook. You what? Yeah? We got Matthew here with us. Look at that fly. See? Told you find stuff down here. Oh, look at this. Man, I'm on a roll today. Got me a good little collection this morning. Been down here for a while, so we decided to.
I think it's been 2 weeks.
2 weeks?
Maybe 3.
I think it's been like 3 weeks since we've been down here.
Yeah.
But so, Matthew's rigging up. I'm gonna throw those there and then put this in my goodie tray. I always carry a goodie box with me. And I'll usually take a fishing with me. Ooh, got something in there melting. Better get that guy out of there. He'll melt to all my stuff and ruin it all.
Especially anything fuzzy like flies.
Yeah, it'll ruin a fly fast. But, so we're going to try worm today. And then we're going to try some
garlic scented power eggs.
Yeah.
And orange color.
An orange color, and then we have some
fireworms that are same thing, just not as scented.
Yeah, but I want to try the real garlic ones. Hold your breath when you open these. They actually come in a string.
Ooh, ooh.
They're really ripe. So if the fishies are looking for something really ripe today, these are going to be what hits. So I'm going to stick that on there first. Matthew's dying over here. And it ain't even that bad.
It's a lot.
And we got some nice juicy worms.
All I know is it's a lot worse than it was when we first got them. I guess they did sit in the shop for a week.
Yeah.
In a black bag.
So what we're doing now is I'm putting a worm on there. It's about a half a worm. Decided to go with the half a worm, just give it a shot. Run this
fly fish and come fish the hole.
Run this back down. Alright. And there's a tree right there I just snagged.
I have snagged that tree.
Alright. I like when they're slimy like that. Put off more flavor in the water, I bet. Here we go. First cast. See how she does. Probably not where I wanted, but now, I don't know if I brought the right pole for this type of fishing, but to me, a fishing pole is a fishing pole. Some people have to spend lots of money on their fishing poles, but you can get the job done with a cheap one. I caught that snag I was telling you about. Huh. See? I really caught that snag.
I think you lost everything.
I think I lost everything too. I should have checked the rigging before.
You had 2 small weights and a big weight.
No, I should have checked all my rigging before I cast it out there.
Yeah.
But it literally took everything. I'm still trying to reel in the line. So we're gonna have to reset, re-rig, find the end of the string. It's all knotted up. There we go. Got that back. Alright, so we're gonna have to do a re-rig. We're gonna let Matthew. So my first cast had nothing.
Whatever I have,
Yeah?
Yeah.
Maybe it's my stuff, or maybe it's a fishy.
I don't know.
Let me turn around and I'll video you. What the heck is that? Oh, you caught the first stick fish of the day. Can you believe that? The first stick fish. Oh, look at that. Crawdad.
Oh,
Check that out.
Crawdad. He's wrapped up in that.
Dude, look at all that gear though, man. What a great find.
That crawdad is gigantic.
You got a few spinners, a few balls. A rock is a weight. That's kind of weird. Go ahead and
I'll get my crap out. You can deal with that.
get it off of there.
It's like literally tied around my...
There it is.
It was in my weight.
Alright, so we're going to sit this down here.
We got a jumbo crawdad.
Jumbo crawdad. We should have bought the crawdad net. I actually was thinking about it. And I totally forgot.
Why is that thing so big?
He's stuck on there. I think what we're going to do is we're going to help him out. We're going to get him off of there and get him out of that wire, that string, and we'll set him free.
I wonder, because it felt like I was getting bites, and then it just stopped. Thought it was hitting bottom. I wonder if the crawdad was messing with it.
He was hoping you would reel him in and let him free,
I don't know.
or take him home and eat him. But I'm not going to take one home.
That thing's the biggest one we've pulled out of it.
Yeah, so we'll see if we get this on video. I'm going to see if I can get this. I don't have any scissors with me, do I?
Pliers right there.
So we got pliers. It's like someone caught this guy. Sorry.
Using him as bait.
No, it's like somebody caught this guy and literally wrapped the string around him, it looks like.
I don't know. That was weird.
Don't bite me, guy. I'm trying to save your life.
And went tonk, tonk, and nothing. All I know is that stick was snagged.
Sorry about that, people. Alright. Dude, he is really tangled. I need a pair I got a pair of clips I think in here. Will actually help us out a lot to save this guy's life. I think. Maybe it's in here. Flashlight. I'm looking for the cutters. Cutters. I have so much stuff in this tackle box, I can't always remember where I stuck everything. And then I got kids that also play in this tackle box. Got my pliers in there. And my kids loved just to throw stuff back in here. Got my camera batteries. So we're going to do a little organizing. Bad vape. Salmon eggs, weights. Now, I got a ton of weights in here. I got to clean house and remake some more for my camping trip. I might end up having to use my knife because I don't know where my clippers are. So we're going to go the knife route.
I don't know if it's because I'm not in the right hole, or if there's no Gucci telling me the hole I'm in.
Trying to be gentle with the guy. Did I get it all? Alright. This is the guy we found. Don't worry, fella. We're going to get him back in the water.
I heard you say something right behind me, and I knew you had
There it is.
Had a crawdad. So I jumped.
They actually swim backwards, so we're going to put it in there backwards. And we'll see if it takes off. It's trying to. Kind of a bad spot to put him.
It's probably also not has as much energy.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure he's been wrapped up in that for a while. That was kind of hard to get him out of that mess. So this is what happens when you leave too much stuff in the water and you don't try to get all your stuff back. Is you really create a situation for a fish.
Yeah, he's not.
And the wildlife. No, he's just sitting there. He's trying to rest.
I was too, but
So we're going to take a look at this, see if we can find anything cool on it. Here's your red hook.
red ball.
No red hook.
Oh, I didn't see the treble hook. I seen the red ball.
Right-handed pliers drive me crazy. Left-handed, sorry. Alright, we got a hook.
They're definitely more potent this time around.
We got a ball.
I see a nice,
Yeah, but we have lots of those.
yeah.
There's a hook here with something green on it.
I'm assuming that kind of looks like power bait.
But this is what's crazy to me, is someone literally took a rock, and tied it around. It looks like it's been in there a while. And used it as a weight. I mean, it's kind of...
I mean, you don't lose as much lead that way.
Yeah, you won't lose any lead that way.
I just think you lose more line that way. Because a lot of times those rocks, if they get in place, you can't get them out.
Yeah, but it's just a rock and there's rocks everywhere. Don't want those. Did he take off?
No, he's somewhat.
Oh, he's right there. He's moving around. He's working. Yeah. Yeah. I need a screwdriver to tighten this because my...
I already got a hit.
You got hit? What are you running?
One in orange field.
Oh yeah?
Yep. That was really cool.
See if you can bring one in.
Whenever I'm not paying attention.
Look at that penny fit right in the hole. Now let's try to crush my weights again. Should work. Alright, we're going to go back to the same method we did earlier. We're going to, we just put a new hook on so we know that's good.
Oh, I got one.
Dude, you got one?
Something good.
Oh, you got something good? Woo! Oh, Matthew's on something good right now.
Swimming, good trout. Big old trout.
You caught a nice sized trout. For this area, it's a really nice one.
It was swimming after. Holy Jesus. I thought I missed it like 3-4 times.
Deal we got. We got a rag we can use. Nice beauty. Let's see if we can.
I see a jig head. Green jig head by the looks of it. You want to know how I rigged it, Dad? I lost the original one I had on, and I didn't want to take the worm off, so I made sure and re-thread the worm.
Well, this guy has to be a keeper. Did you bring the
stringer with you?
Oh, I got stuff all over me. No, I didn't bring a stringer. I forgot. I got one right here. Undo this one.
What the hell? My hook isn't even attached anymore.
It's because I just ripped it out of it. I couldn't save it. Has a few notches.
It's a wild. I think it's a wild one. Yeah, that back fin right here.
Yeah.
Cut off.
It's a native one.
So that one was born somewhere here on the
But
Boise.
nice, pretty one he just caught. I mean, I was going to try to do a release with him, but he ended up swallowing the hook, so you can't.
It was too late when
You
I
won't.
realized.
You won't be able to.
It
was too late, but you won't be able to try to save it.
It's like the perch do, how they hit it, but they don't like. It doesn't seem like they take it.
Yeah.
That's what it was.
So we're going to keep this guy. Throw him down in a little water hole there. And then I got a root over here I like using. Root. I like putting around this root over here. Tie it to the root. And then Matthew was actually talking about a jig down here as he was catching that fish, and here it is. It's a nice jig. Here you go. Alright, so what I get, I got my orange on there, and then you interrupted me.
So how I did it is, the first one I had on there fell off, and I didn't want to take the worm off, so I just fed it to the right there at the edge of the hook.
You might try that. Try it again.
Tastes like garlic. I'm lying.
Well, I mean, when it was garlic bait to start with, and you stick your finger in your mouth.
I didn't stick my finger in my mouth. The line was.
All right. So Matthew's the one fish up on me.
I don't know which time I actually hooked it. I was reeling in because I went to
go grab your pole, because I'm going to pull mine. All right.
I went to go check my bait.
Yeah? Well, ain't bad. You know what? I'm going to come over here and hit the shorter hole. Oh, look at that!
Oh.
Throw that in the tackle box.
It's freaking fly.
We can't melt that guy down, but we'll eventually use it. What the heck? Did you guys see that? Always make sure your line ain't tangled at the bottom down there. Because if it is, you won't get a cast. And I just noticed that my weights are totally messed up. So I need to come back to the rigging station.
That's why we had use those little ones, is because it's a mixture of ours and Todd's.
Yeah.
So we don't know which one's gonna stay. So we use the smaller ones to block.
Well, I was thinking if I take this and I come up here, get it in there.
That's the thing, is that they're large.
They are large.
I caught a fishy, good, decent sized one. Yeah, just now.
He just literally just caught it. And a crawdad, what we released, because I didn't want to keep one.
The crawdad was like this big. Oh wow.
He was stuck in this.
This is gumbo. Yeah.
He was wrapped in this and we cut him out. There's a hook in it, but yeah. Oh yeah. We're on. Dude, I think that actually works. Orange and worm. Orange and worm is best. Come over here in my sit-down spot.
He was sitting there, and all of a sudden, you see the black blob come around the corner of the rock.
Gently pull it out of their jaw.
Well, I figured out how I felt.
I just dropped it. Little guy's little. Little bitty guy. Show you the release. Oh, don't do that to me now. Come on. Oh, there he goes. There he goes. There he goes. There he goes. He wasn't too sure. Oh, cute little guy. Alright.
Like a small one?
Just got my shoe wet.
I think those bass, even the small ones up there at Cascade, were like a pound. And like they were fat.
None of them over 12 though.
Mom had kind of caught one.
Let him smell that jar.
Oh.
Now that's garlic.
Yeah.
No, that's garlic. We bought those because I guess it's orange and white sparkles with the worm was catching really good up in Cascade.
That's what.
Tripping all over myself. Fishing string on the ground. Alright. Do another cast. Right in the right spot I got, I hope. The what? Yeah. He'll come back out. Trying to stay out of the snags.
Got one.
Matthew's already got one.
Right there at the edge of the current. Oh, balls.
On a roll today.
No, my aim.
Oh,
Come here, little guy.
huh? I missed the hole.
It's a lot harder to hold these fish.
You know, we got pliers over there.
Got it.
Alright, here's his release. Oh, it doesn't want to go. Oh, there it goes. Perfect release.
Don't start to float up.
We bought him at Tom's Cabin in Cascade. It's kind of weird.
Like that, but yeah. Where's my stuff?
I got a bite. I think down here next to me.
Oh, there's my weight stuff. Yeah, literally.
I lost the garlic one.
Yeah. I rigged the worm and then feed it on. That's what I've caught him on in the past 2 times.
Alright, well, we're going to try Matthew's method. Worm first, then power bait. I missed it. I know, I literally just snagged that tree. Yeah? Well, I think I lost everything. I snagged the tree behind me. I only lost the hook. Darn tree.
Yeah, there's your ball.
Oh, my ball's still there?
Down on the ground. I don't see a worm.
Ah! Got it all! Woo!
Yeah.
I snagged the tree and broke it. The fisherman's knot. I don't like that way. My knot didn't break, the string broke. Did you get another one?
No, I was snagged.
If you're going that way, I'm going to come over here and cast next to you.
Cast straight in front of me. I have one.
Yeah?
I think. Oh no.
You might got a snag. Matthew told me where to cast, and guess what? I got a snag. I got a real snag.
Oh, I got everything still other than my bait.
Ooh, what do I got?
You got a bunch of crap.
I got a bunch of stuff.
Oh, there's a spinner in there. Oh,
So I got Christopher. Hold this.
no, he got himself a tree. He caught himself one of the trees.
Let me go sit this down. And let's see what we're going to reel in. There ain't nothing on that part, but pretty cool stuff right here. So right here we have a probably shouldn't use your teeth, but I mean, I've never seen a trout go after something like this, but I mean, they might.
That would be more of like a stock pond type deal.
All right, what do I need? I need everything.
You don't like my method? Well, that.
No, because when I did your method, I got a snag. I'm going back to the Eric method.
Oh,
Whew. Love that smell.
I know.
It's going to catch me lots of fishies.
I think you've caught one fishy. I've caught two fishies and a quadad.
Yeah, Matthew has caught two fishies and a crawdad.
And a whole bunch of stuff. I can't believe I pulled that in though.
I can't believe you pulled that in either.
Because literally I don't know how many different lines are wrapped up in that. But one of them had a rock.
Yeah? That was the one with the crawdad. Alright, we're going to check the timer on this. Alright, this was Ann Morrison. Wonderful day to come out here. It ain't too hot. Not too many people fishing. We were able to catch a few fish. Had a good time. You can subscribe, push the like button, helps the channel out. We always bring new videos on to give you guys, try to entertain you. But this is another spot to come down and go fishing and enjoy your day. Alright, thanks for watching. See you next time.